Hey guys, Beefcake here. Sunday morning, we're headed out on a little road trip. Mrs. Beef has carted me around about 2.5 hours. We're headed out to, she said, imagine that. Got a little stop, got a little Mickey D's for the road trip. We normally don't eat breakfast, but we got up a little extra early today. At least I did. She's always up pretty early in the morning. But we're headed out to pick up the new shop car. And what we're going to offer out there is the first person to guess the new shop car correctly, make and model, we're going to throw out a $100 gift card too. So we're going to post this now. We're not going to tell you what it is. We'll hit you up later with that. But first person to guess the new shop car, not employee shouldn't be commenting, gets a $100 gift card. Nope, that's my diet soda. So it's funny because we just paid the guy at the window, and then he said, "Have a nice day." And then we drive up to the next window to pick up our food, and it's the same guy. So I don't know quite to set up this McDonald's. Oh, we got a little navigation there. I don't know quite to set up this McDonald's, but it's kind of funny to see the same guy at the second window. So I don't know if it's,
turn right onto US 52
I don't know if it's because it's early in the morning or what. But again, first person to guess the new shop car, $100 gift card.